Creating a USB installer on a Mac is a two-step process. The first step is to convert the ISO image into a different format, and then we'll use that converted disk image to write onto the USB stick. I'll switch over to my terminal and double-check that I have an installer. There it is in my Downloads folder. To convert the image, I'll write HDI-util convert -format UDRW. Then I'll give the path to the image, and I'll write -o for output, and I'll set the name to Ubuntu 18.04. The second step is to get that image onto our USB drive, and for that we need to know where the USB drive is. I'll switch over to Disk Utility, and I'll click on the USB flash drive. I'll make sure I'm choosing the device, not a partition. Then I'll press Info, and I'll look for the BSD device node. In my case, it's Disk 1, but yours may be different. Then I'll click on any mounted partitions and choose to unmount them. I'll switch back to my terminal, and here I'll write sudo dd if for input file equals the path to my converted disk image. In this case, Ubuntu 18.04.dmg. And then OF for output file equals /dev/r disk1. Again, yours might be different. Make sure you have the right identifier. You wouldn't want to overwrite the wrong disk. And then I'll write bs equals 1m. This can help things go faster. After a few minutes, the process will complete. You'll know it's done because you'll see an error pop up on the screen that the disk that we inserted wasn't readable by this computer. That's actually a good sign. That means that the Linux file system is in place. So I'll choose Eject, and I'll unplug my drive. Now we're ready to use this to install Linux.